Hello. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. The common phrase of the day is castaway. The phrase castaway means to throw something away, get rid of, or to be left alone, often on an island or in a place far from others. It can be used literally, like being stranded on an island, or figuratively, like being rejected or forgotten. Cast means to throw something forcefully. Away means far from a place or person. Being left and cast away means being left alone or stranded, rejected, abandoned, or unwanted. Sometimes it just means to get rid of something. So here are some sentences. The sailor was cast away on a deserted island after the ship sank. She cast away all her old clothes and started fresh with a new wardrobe. He felt cast away by his friends after moving to a new city. Use castaway literally when talking about someone who is stranded or lost on an island or someplace with no one else around. Use it figuratively to describe someone who feels forgotten or rejected and unwanted. You can also just use it to talk about throwing away or letting go of something you no longer need. Give it a try. Like and subscribe, and hope you hear castaway in people's conversations when you're watching a movie, reading, listening to the news. Bye, guys.